This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream rainbow, easy method. Start by freezing a shallow pan and preparing 6 colored batters using food coloring and a whipped cream base. I will walk you through simple layering, quick freezing between colors, and tips to keep edges sharp. You will learn how to pipe tidy bands, smooth transitions, and slice perfect rainbow servings for sharing with friends. Keep your colors bright by using gel food coloring and a stable whipped base so layers stay distinct. I recommend filling piping bags with each shade for precise bands and quick application. Freeze briefly between colors to set each band without forming ice crystals. Small adjustments in whip time change texture, so I'll show how to balance scoopability with firmness for a perfect rainbow experience. Layering is where your rainbow comes to life, so I'll demonstrate a reliable sequence starting light to dark for neat transitions. Pipe each band evenly and press lightly with a cold spatula to remove air pockets. I recommend short freeze intervals of about 15 to 25 minutes so layers set without freezing solid. Follow my pacing and you'll achieve crisp bands, smooth top finish, and beautiful slices every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.